Assalamu Alaykum everyone, my name is Ruzimukhammad and welcome to my channel. So today it's 31st of August and with the university lads we're going to North Pennant. But first of all, I'll quickly go to Uzbek, get some snack and then we're gonna head off. I'm gonna go to a location where everyone's gonna gather and then we're gonna go. But as you can see, weather is a little bit gloomy today. I hope on the spot it's not gonna rain. And yeah, today's my day off, so let's just enjoy it. I'm just gonna take you guys there and show you guys the place. I've got me bottle of water. I've got me bottle of water and a sandwich and some crisps which are in my bag, and going to the location where we're gonna gather at. Okay, so this is the place where we're supposed to gather at, right on top of the closest road. I guess I just came 14 minutes early and I don't see nobody yet. It's actually not funny. It's actually not funny at all. Either everyone's gonna be late, either not, but okay. We'll see. There you go, that's the bus there. So it's a 16 seater, so it's going to be probably about 16 people over us.
I think that is a very valid point. I used to think that mass production is always a good thing, but when you see like how much waste there is on produced things, you start to wonder, are we overproducing?
I know the plants probably bad food.
Assalamu Alaykum. Be in my vlog, bro. Oh. He's the most shyest person in the world. Okay, so we are here at Derwent Reservoir. Derwent Reservoir, as you can see, so it's basically a reservoir which contains about 11 billions of water here, and this is water is basically the water that you get more or less from your tap if you live in Newcastle. But obviously there's process in it. It's not like direct, but I think they process it and then, you know, make it drinkable. But this is what it is. Just have a look around. It's quite big, actually, very big. The water basically comes from the rain, you know, the what do you call it, drop falls. So obviously if the weather would have been better, everything basically more or less would have been better. Everything, like literally everything. Those are the university guys from university. So today's trip is a collaboration between Northumbria University ISOC and then Newcastle University ISOC. ISOC is an Islamic society. If you feel like coming to Northumbria University or Newcastle University, try joining Islamic society, where you will find out more about Islam in general if you're not Muslim. Even if you're a Muslim, you will be able to engage yourself in religious activities while you are at the university, and you will be able to improve your knowledge while you are at the university, inshallah. A little bit more of the view and then we'll straight head off to the new location. What a vlog without ducks. I wonder if I can come closer and have a look at the ducks. How do you call ducks, bro?
Enemy spotted.
Bro, why you
Oh, they're coming. What if they attack me? I would have to run. How do you call a duck? I mean, how do you attract a duck? Come here. Come here.
How are you, brother? Alhamdulillah. Good to see you.
We are gangster.
Seen you in a long
It's a gang. Look at this gang.
but I haven't seen you like
Oh no! Look at that duck. Oh, the sad. Yeah. And then Derwent Reservoir.
Wait. It's gonna flash. Oh, bag is falling. See, bag.
No, it was video actually.
Really? Come on, bro. Video?
Yeah, it is a video.
It's about a 5-minute walk up there, but I'm not 100% sure if it's open or not.
Alhamdulillah, subhanallah. Look at this place, man. It looks quite sick for some reason. Imagine living somewhere here. Imagine you have a house in the middle and live there. and then you're gonna die soon because there's nothing to do. I mean, if you don't have a car. Okay, so we are at our second stop. It's quite windy here. We came to High Falls Waterfall, so it's basically our second and final stop, but it's gonna be a very long walk. We're gonna walk for about 3 hours or something. This is gonna be our last one. After 3 hours, we're just gonna head home. We intend to pray there. Obviously, we're gonna go to 3 of the waterfalls, so let's go to the High Falls Waterfall together then, yeah? Yeah, let's go.
नहीं वो लोग चढ़ के आ रहे ऊपर ब्रो
Hello. You forgot something.
I just want a picture now.
Oh, right.
The view is better.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, that's a nice camera.
Isn't it? Aye, so we are walking now. Walking into the bush. Is it called bush or something? Yeah. Look at this, quite steep. Oh, Abino, be careful. Oh, be careful, Abino. No, I'm being serious now. Be careful, yeah? Yo, it's quite steep. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very uncommon. Wait, there you go. Oh, Abino is in the picture now. Oh, the other guy is in the picture now. Oh, alright. I wanted to be the first one. Okay, it's alright. It's not like I'm jealous or anything. Look at that, quite nice. Assalamu Alaykum.
पानी है उसके ना पानी है Come on, bro.
More walking. Nice weather. Oh. What? No.
There'll be a little viewpoint on your right.
Just keep going. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? That guy in front of me, he's staring at me. Okay, let me check it out. Let me check it. Let me surprise myself. Let me surprise myself. Yo. Oh, right. That's quite sick, that.
Not for long.
No, I don't think so. Yeah. So basically here you got this thing to wash off your shoes so that you're not gonna get virus and all that. Huh? Because so that, you know, the soil which is on that side is not gonna go to the other side. This is how you prevent the virus. This is how you beat the corona. Photo session is going on now. Bro,
Yeah.
can I try on your glasses?
Come on, bro. One selfie, bro.
Sunglasses. Oh,
Bro, looking nice.
oh.
Just stand. I will take a photo.
See you tomorrow.
I will take a photo.
What, with sunglasses?
Yeah, you're looking
No,
good,
mate. Oh, it's a video going?
Yeah.
Stop the video, please. It doesn't look. Oh, selfie, bro, selfie. Bro. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move out a little bit. Haha. Hello to Uzbekistan. Assalamu Alaykum.
Don't break someone's heart.
Say Assalamu Alaykum.
Assalamu Alaykum.
Alaykum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Just like this.
Yeah.
Hold this just like this, please. Yeah.
Do you have anything to say, bro?
Huh?
Do you have anything to say?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, hold it then.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow me then.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've just got a full-time cameraman.
For your YouTube channel. How much you gonna pay me?
So basically we are going to the second waterfall. We just been to the first one and we're going to the second one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. That was a good vlog, that. Okay, I'm gonna make a quiet joke now. Oh, no one paid attention. Okay, so basically we are at the second waterfall. As you can see, that is the second waterfall. It's smaller than the one that we saw earlier on, but still it's quite nice. In general, the view is really beautiful, greenery all over, and then obviously water. Water is such a refreshing thing. You just don't understand how water is great. Everyone is just chilling to take it refreshing and all that, and
Bro, come on, bro, please.
okay. Don't worry, I'll cut it off.
No,
I'll cut it off.
You can ask me.
All right, okay.
Okay, bro. It's better like if you like. It's like selfie. Like you can ask me. Facing there, yeah.
Questions?
Yeah. If you wish.
Okay, Assalamu Alaykum.
Wa Alaikum Assalam.
How's the trip so far?
Alhamdulillah, it's really good.
Is that it?
What do you expect me to say?
Okay.
It's really good, bro. Like,
yeah. Which waterfall was the better? This one or the previous one?
I think this one is good because like we can see it from very close, you know. But because the other one is very far from, like we can't go near to that, and it's very dangerous as well. But here we can see it from very near. So
okay. Okay. Assalamu Alaykum.
I'm a camera shy, bro.
Are you?
I can't, you know. I can't.
Alright, so as you can see, everyone is just chilling now. It's a chilling time. I'm gonna sit down somewhere. I'm gonna find a spot and I'm gonna sit down somewhere as well. Alright. So I'm at the highest point now. Everyone is at the bottom. I'm at the highest point. And look at the waterfall. Oh! In real, it looks amazing. Oh, so nice. You know how the guy said that this waterfall is better than the previous one? He was right. Why? Because this one you can see from up close. Do you get what I mean, mate? Do you get what I mean, mate? Bro.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it put me up. Yeah, I'm like.
Is it your bag?
It's a good type of walk. Good type of road. Like I used to see this kind of roads in pictures. So we've been walking non-stop for like decent. Oh, motorbikes. Hey, is this police? I don't know. So basically we've been walking for a decent 2.5 hours and I'm proper tired. Yesterday it was really busy at work. I worked a lot, and today I'm walking a lot, and guess what, tomorrow I need to get back to work. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna probably finish by 5 we're gonna reach home by 5, and then we're gonna visit a fancy place to eat, and then because it's my day off, so if we are enjoying it, let's enjoy 100%. Then I'm just gonna go home and sleep. Yeah, that's it. I'm tired. Yeah, we just made wudu in this ice cold, refreshing water. It was quite cold. It was really cold actually. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pray, and then we're gonna head off. Everyone is getting ready for the prayer. Alhamdulillah. Oh, look at the beautiful place. What a beautiful place. So I just got home. Sadly, we were not able to go to the third location, which was the Denton's Cave and Summerhill Waterfall. But in general, it was really nice, really productive, really informative, really exciting trip, small little trip. Basically, most of the time we were just walking, so it was a very, very good activity. In general, yeah, it was really great. So thank you very much for everyone who participated in this trip, who joined us, who went with us, and then a special thanks for Maulana Rafiq, which is who is president of Northumbria Islamic Society. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, today's vlog's intention was to show how it is. You know what, in person it looks much better than as if you would see through the camera, but still, more or less, to get the idea of how it is. You should try and come and visit, why not, when you get a chance. Alright, so on this note, I'll just say bye. Take care, see you on the next vlog. Assalamu Alaykum. Okay, let me take an interview from this young gentleman. Come here. Okay. Assalamu Alaykum.
Assalamu Alaykum.
How's the trip so far?
It's a wonderful trip.
Yeah.
Enjoying the nature.
Okay.
Enjoying the beauty.
Yeah. Can you talk a little bit more about it? What did you particularly like so far? We've just been to the Derwent Reservoir. I know about.
It's everything all about hilly areas like mountains.
Right.
It's nature is beautiful.
Okay.
It's not artificial.
Yeah. And do you intend to go on the next trip that we organize soon, inshallah? If you organize another trip, will you will you join us?
I will be the first member to join you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Shake my hand. Okay. He's got up, so I couldn't shake. Okay. So how's the trip so far? Assalamu Alaykum.
How's the trip so far?
Alhamdulillah, it's very good.
Yeah, enjoying the trip so far?
We're enjoying.
Okay. So what did you particularly like so far about the trip?
The trip owner.
No, everyone is nice. I mean, like, we have really nice people and whom we have not really seen for a while.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the real thing.
Yeah. Okay. Inshallah, soon if we make another trip, will you join us?
Inshallah, I've already signed up.
Okay. So thank you.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
No problem.
What about?
Okay, Abhino, what's 2 plus 2? Oh, he knows that. Sakhlin.
What?
When you're done,
What's 2 plus 2?
10.
Murtaza, have a look. Oh yeah. What's 2 plus 2?
I don't know.